name's Janet Ashworth. I have the County Food Company here in Stratford at 38 Erie Street, and this is Candy Kostick. Candy works for us doing a lot of our desserts in the kitchen, and she also has her own company, Candy Cakes. So we had this idea. We wanted to find a way how we could participate in Savor Stratford, because the event in such a short period of time has just grown so big. So we thought, why not make a giant cake? This is the poster for Savor Stratford this year, which is really cool. Picture of Stratford down below and these giant chef hat balloons.
People can put all their little flowers on this,
Okay.
and then have the Avon River and the bridge. But I'd like that like lifted up, so we're gonna have like a tall cake.
Okay.
So, because I would like the balloon to be
Really floating. Okay. So this is what we're going to build on September 22nd and September 23rd as part of Savor Stratford.
Okay, this is the balloon at the top, and we come down into the city of Stratford. This is the middle, and it will represent Shakespearean Gardens, which runs down into the Avon River, through the bridge, and down onto the bottom of the cake.
So wish us good luck, and do come out to Savor Stratford on September 22nd and 23rd, and come and get a piece of the giant cake.